Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. And we have to be careful because the p-value is going to be based on the claim. In this case, there's a claim that sigma is less than 22. So let me just write it out. Claim the values of sigma are less than 22, which means that we're going to be looking at a left tail test. So in this case, your degrees of freedom are going to be 5. So it's going to look something along these lines. And the actual test statistic, it's 5.78. So I'm just going to place it here, not to scale. So assume that this is the chi-square value of 5.78. And because the claim is less than, your p-value, it's going to be the entire area to the left. So it'll be the entire area to the left of the test statistic. So your p-value will be approximated by the following code. So the remaining of the problems, I'm just going to use the calculator since we do have that command. So second distributions, and then the chi-square CDF. Now this one's going to start at 0, comma, and it's only going to go to 5.78. And then it's going to have 5 degrees of freedom. That's actually it. So your p-value, it's going to be 0.6718. So 0.6718. I'm rounding to 4 decimal places. So let me put it again. 0.6718 if you round to 4 decimal places. So the p-value, it's approximately 0.6718. The code, let me write it here. So we're using the chi-squared CDF. Your lower bound, it's going to be 0, comma, to 5.78, and then the values of 5. Remember that it uses degrees of freedom. And that's actually it for this particular problem.